Welcome to Kaivac, where purpose meets innovation. For over 25 years, Kaivac has been tackling some of the largest cleaning challenges in our industry. And as a result of that, the industry hasn't been the same since. We believe cleaning workers are essential contributors to an organization's success. That's why Kaivac equips them with tools that make cleaning easier, safer, and more effective. Because at Kaivac, we exist to help those who do the work.
Every role at Kaivac impacts someone's life, making cleaning faster, safer, and better.
At Kaivac, we push boundaries, challenge norms, and build innovations that are revolutionizing an industry.
At Kaivac, innovation is more than technology. It's in our DNA.
Ideas into action. That's Kaivac.
But ideas are only the beginning. At Kaivac, actions matter.
Every design, every product, every shipment reflects our commitment to excellence.
We're proud to build solutions that help the people that clean our buildings become more successful.
Along the way, we're changing the way the world cleans.
But we don't just build cleaning equipment, we solve real-world problems for real people.
From engineering and manufacturing to sales, marketing, and customer care.
We work together to deliver solutions that matter.
Together, we innovate solutions that solve customer-specific challenges.
We don't just make products, we solve problems.
Our culture is built on servant leadership, innovations, and caring for one another.
We're not just another company, we're a team that cares about each other and the world we serve.
We believe that the first shall be last and the last shall be first.
We lead with integrity, a servant's heart, and following the golden rule.
We are Kaivac.
And we exist
to help those who do the work.
Our purpose statement is to glorify God by using Kaivac as an instrument for good. And we do this simply by helping people solve their cleaning challenges. We'd love to welcome you on this journey with us.